What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Now in this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how we use our EAs to pass a 100k FXIFY prop firm challenge in under 8 days. I'm going to show you the exact lot sizes that we use, the exact strategy. We did zero manual training. You're not going to want to miss this video, so stick around, stay tuned. Let's get after it. Do the video. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the exact EA and exact strategy that we use to pass this 100k FXIFY account. Now, if you guys don't know FXIFY, you guys can check them out at FXIFY.com, one of the leading prop firm companies out there right now. There's FTMO, there's FundedNext, Maven Trading, there's Alpha Capital, a lot of prop firms out there, and they all provide very relaxed and reasonable rules if you're planning to use a EA. And you guys can check them out. You can check their challenges out, check the pricing, of course, the tech that you're able to use. Now, to pass this FXIFY account, we actually use the web tool called Social Traders Tools, which is a copy trading tool that's on the web. But we've done several tutorials on this. Actually, what we did is we connected our EA, which is the Goliath EA on there, combined with the FXIFY account. I'm showing you guys just the dashboard on here. You can see the results. The FXIFY 100k account. I'm going to open the chart up here. You can see that we started this 100k FXIFY account on March 25th, and we ended between, I believe it was either April 1st or April 2nd that we stopped trading. We hit about 13% in terms of overall profits. Now, the phase one of the FXIFY or assessment one only requires 10%. We traded a little bit more because the trade didn't close because which was always in profit. But once you hit to 10%, it's essentially done. And now we're just waiting for the final account, which is the funded account, so we can trade it for the payout. But essentially, we traded this for roughly about 5 to 6 days, and we passed it. We have an 85% win rate. We're using our Goliath EA. You can see the performance of this account. We have several accounts in terms of this EA. You can see the profits alone. This account was actually on the 24th of November 2025, so last year. It's done over 87% in terms of growth already. So you can use this EA either on a challenge or you can use it on a funded account. Now I'm going to show you the exact settings that we use to pass this account. Going to trade copiers, I'm going to show you the settings. The lot size we use is 12. And now the maximum stop loss for this EA is 1.5%. Now you can change it to either 1% or 2%, but we recommend sticking between 1.5% for easy passing. The rest settings are here. 12 lot sizes, a slippage, doesn't really matter, but just put a high number just so it executes right away. And for the stop and limits, make sure it's all ticked on yes to copying pending orders, stop loss, and copy take profit. Now the Goliath is not an instant execution EA, so it basically puts all stop orders just right before Asian session or right before London session. It puts all its orders in, and then once the levels are hit or once the order is hit, it will execute the trade. It's not like the gold EA where it's just instant execution. Make sure this is all turned on before you guys start using the EA. Actually, there was zero manual trades done on this account, and you can see we passed this within 6 days. I'm going to show you the equity monitor that we set up. Now, we usually don't do this often. This is a redundancy because of the EA already stops exactly at between 10%, which is the target profit. But if you're managing multiple accounts and you're trading multiple accounts at once, such as if you're trading a challenge simultaneously and you're also trading for a payout, a funded account, then you might need to set a equity monitor just to make sure that your challenge stops exactly at 10%, whereas your funded account you might want to trade it further up, like up to 12%, up to 13%, depending on your goals. Right, so recommend setting up an equity monitor. I'm going to show you guys how to do that because a lot of you guys ask us how to do it. Create a monitor, select the account. Remember the account that you want to set the monitor on, which is the FXIFY account or whatever account you're choosing, and you're going to go to protect target percentage, which is 110%. So exactly stops at 10% when you pass the challenge, right? Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase an FXIFY challenge and what options to choose. We get a lot of DMs regarding that. Then you're going to FXIFY.com and you're just going to go click funded, and there we go. So a lot of questions here that we get is what phase you choose, whether it's one phase assessment, two phase, three phase, and right off the bat, guys, you don't need to bother with three phase. I think it just takes way too long. If budget is a concern, you guys could go for two phase assessments. Each phase will take between 5 to 10 business days or trading days. It really depends on the market conditions. So you can see, so you can kind of guess if you're choosing a choose phase assessment, the EA usually could pass it within 2 to 3 weeks, so to speak. But if you're choosing a one phase assessment, you can pass it within 1 to 2 weeks. So it's really about a time question, of course, and a budget concern as well. So if there's no budget, go directly for the one phase assessment. There is a small budget concern, then you go into two phase. But one phase, you can trade right away. And of course, the account balance. Now, if you're not using our automation services where we help you use the EA to trade for you, you guys can choose anything between 5 to 25K and then work your way up, save your money, get your payouts, and then buy a bigger challenge later. But if you're looking for better results, we would recommend starting with the 100K account all the way up to 200K or 400K. Really depends on you. All right, so select a 100K account. This is the best account balance to start with. And in terms of the platform, you can choose whichever platform you're comfortable with. If you have the option to use MetaTrader 5, provided you're not in the United States, then choose MetaTrader 5. But if you can't and you're in the US and you need to use DXTrade, then click that, which is not an issue. You can still use the EAs. You just have to use a different trading tool, which is the Traders Connect. We have dozens and dozens of clients using the SIM setup, and we'll be able to help you assist you with that and setting that up. So if you're able to use MT5, click on that. And then for the price feed, when you go into raw speeds, basically you can read it right here. No markup, no restrictions. Basically, we're basically trading every day on a funded account. In terms of leverage, you can leave it as is, and these are just additional add-ons such as the increased profit split. If you guys have the budget to do so, get the profit split so you can get 90% from FXIFY. You don't need to worry about this increased leverage because the FX Goliath works on 130 leverage as well. But if you want to use a bigger leverage, you can. That would just mean higher profits, but you need to reduce the lot sizes, right? And you just put in your name, select whatever country that you are in, whether you're in Spain or whatever like that, you'll be able to pick either MT5. If you're in the United States, you'll only be able to pick DXTrade, and then you can pay by credit card, or I believe you can pay by crypto. And once you get your challenge account, you can set up your EA, set up your copy trading on Traders Tools or Traders Connect, and use the same lot sizes. You can use between 8 to 12. And pass your challenge the same way that we did. And we do not recommend trading, of course, news. I never ever trade news. If you see any news, don't trade it. There's already a news filter built in, which takes data for USD news, any US news. It will not trade about 3 to 4 hours in advance. Guys, if you have any questions, make sure you guys check out our YouTube channel. You guys can click the link in our channel or the link in description below. And join our Telegram group. We post there every single day, tons of results, ton of clients getting payouts from prop firms. We also share strategies on how to pass challenges and trade funded accounts as well. All right, guys, now that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Peace.